how you find your daily rate? This is a question that a lot of people ask me when they start working in business. And I can tell you that there are a different couple of factors that you need to check. The first one can be talk with your network, talk with the people that work with you, ask the other freelancer, ask the other sound engineer, ask the other tour manager and say, look man, how much do you charge? I know someone will say, oh, I don't know. They say, oh, maybe 200, maybe 300. They don't want to tell you because they are scared or whatever they want to do. Just try to understand how much they charge and try to understand how much is the daily rate. It depends from the job. There is someone that charge 250 for a sound engineer job, someone that charge 400. Most of the time, it depends always for the client that you work. Most of the time, corporate is more money, touring is less money, but if you work with a big artist, a sound engineer can make up to 400, 500 pounds a day, or dollars a day. Decide if you want to charge them daily, a project, a week, an hour if you want to do it. It's all about you. This is something that it's up to you. You decide. As we say, that's the freedom of our job. You can just say, look, you do a tour for 3 months and you say, look, you pay me weekly and I'm charging 200 pounds. I'm just saying, I'm charging you 4 grand. Decide wherever you want to charge them. You are in charge. You can charge daily, a project, hour, weekly, a month. It's up to you. If you do a tour of months, you can say, look, there's 4 months of tour, pay me 4 grand a month, or pay me 2 grand a week. It's up to you. You decide. That's the freedom of being a freelancer. Write always the term of payments on the bottom of your invoice. As I said before, 30 days is the basic, but just remember to write always at the end of the invoice. So when they will get your invoice, they know that they need to pay you after 30 days. Ask for what you deserve, guys. Remember, I said already, we decide for our price, but in the same times, you need to make sure that you get paid the right money. If you think that you need to get paid 400 pounds a day, you get paid 400 pounds a day. So it's up to you. Literally, it's up to you. But charge the right money, because you work and you need to get paid for what you work. Remember, guys, you are in business and you want to stay in that way. Be brave, polite and confident. And if you conduct yourself well, a fair agreement today might lead to a better paying work down the road. So make sure that you charge the right money. Make sure that you get paid for what you deserve and for the hard work that you put in.